The First Amendment protects our right to freedom of speech, but how far does that right extend? Is a step-by-step tutorial on how to blow up a building, for example, considered protected speech? In the 1997 case of Rice v. Paladin Enterprises, Incorporated, we explore some of the considerations relevant to this question in the context of a greedy Maryland father. Lawrence Horn hired James Perry to kill his ex-wife, their quadriplegic son Trevor, and Trevor's nurse. It was Horn's hope that he'd inherit Trevor's $2 million in settlement money from the incident that paralyzed him. To prepare for the job, Perry studied the detailed instructions set forth in the book Hitman, a technical manual for independent contractors, published by Paladin Enterprises. The express purpose of this manual was to facilitate murder, and it blatantly encouraged murder throughout. Its marketing strategy was also specifically designed to attract and assist those interested in killing with the planning, commission, and cover-up. Perry adhered to the manual's playbook, and on March 3, 1993, he proceeded to murder Mildred and Trevor Horn, as well as Trevor's nurse. The methods and tactics he used closely followed innumerable instructions specified and recommended by the book. Perry and Lawrence were subsequently convicted of murder. After the victims' family members and representatives, including Vivian Rice, learned about the significant role played by Paladin's book in the commission of the murders, they brought a civil action for wrongful death against Paladin in district court. They contended that Paladin's publication of the manual that contained explicit murder and cover-up directions aided and abetted Perry in the execution of the murders. Paladin made stipulations amounting to its civil liability for aiding and abetting the murders, but assumed the First Amendment was an absolute bar to liability. Consequently, it filed a motion for summary judgment, which the district court granted, explaining that the manual was constitutionally protected speech. Rice appealed to the Fourth Circuit.